The reason we have picked up this particular plot is because of its location. If you see, it's a quiet village in Goa.
When Akib came to me, it was clearly told it would be a house for selling purposes. And the selling point would be the Goan ethos of, light and ventilation, living comfortably in a holiday home.
This particular place caught me with that it still had the old school charm. The architect was very, very careful, I think, in keeping that. I mean, she's actually taken trouble to incorporate the old shell and then add new.
We wanted to restore this house as much as possible and rebuild it in a connecting way where a family can enjoy it. It has to be more like a family house, and we tried to bring a lot of natural material which were locally available in Goa.
The staircase that you see is the one that actually binds the whole. It's a vertical binding space. When we speak of open plan layouts, that's another vista that we look, and we look at the vertical element of actually linking and lighting up the space. So the central space becomes the staircase.
To connect the old structure and the new structure is a difficult part. But if you know the technical part of it, how to handle that detail, I think you cannot go wrong.
Falling water is always again another therapeutic factor in terms of sound levels, and most holiday homes would like to have the sound of the water, the feel of the water, and as you open up the whole back, you're facing the pool, and that is where holiday happens. Everyone is sitting around a pool and nibbling something, and that's why the dining cum kitchen is one space which becomes the family space.
All the windows, doors have these beautiful moldings has been incorporated from the Portuguese. It's the inspiration what we have taken from the Portuguese houses.
The beauty about this place is that every bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. And that's it. I mean, the fact that this place had space, light, and was airy.